Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll teach you how to make this lovely headband. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share my video. Thanks. Let's get started. These are the material we'll be making use of. You need half yard of doll face, half yard of elastic, two net, half yard too, scissors, staple, of course your chalk. So those are the things we'll be making use of. So the two neck is usually by 60. So I'm going to cut 5 inches by 60 in 3 places. So I'm folding it so that it will be easy for me to cut. So I'll cut 5 inches by the breadth of the two necks. So I've cut it out. So, that face 4 inches by 16 inches. Just need only one piece. So this is the elastic. You cut 18 inches. You just need half a yard of the elastic. So I'm making this hairband for a 5 years old child. So depending on how big the head is, 3, 4, 5 year old can put this on. So I'm notching the center of the 4 inches by 16 inches of the doll face. So you need to note the center. So you make gathers for the two nets, then you put it at the center of the doll face. So this is how you make gathers. So if you have gather folds, you don't need to use your hands. So use your machine to do that. But I'm making use of my hands. Can see it? Just draw it. So after drawing, this is what I have. So until you have the length you want, so I make this to be 9 inches. Then you place it at the center of the doll face, the 4 inches by 60 inches. Then you sew at the center, just stitch it at the center. One is stitch at the center. So you can cut out the unwanted seam just to make it neat. So after that, you you sew the edges, just fold and sew the edges. So this side can be a little bit difficult to sew. Just make sure you don't sew the two. So you take it inside, then sew it. Sew only the doll face. Then sew it to the edge. So if you are unable to sew it the way I just showed you now, so you can start the sewing from about 1.5 inches from the head and stop where the two start. Then you do the same to the other side. You start from 1.5, then stop from where the two start. Then the two area, you turn it to the right side. Then you fold like this so as to sew the two area. Then you can see the way I folded it. Then you sew it. You can use machine thread. Make sure you use machine thread so that it won't show there. That's the second way of sewing this. So I've sewed, can see I've done the stitching and I've turned it to the right side. So I use the first method, can see it. So I sew it from the wrong side and I turn it to the right side. Then you can give it a nice press. So I'm going to insert the elastic, the 18 inches elastic. So you can make use of safety pin. Then you start it, you can see the way I'm doing it. Just follow the procedure. Just keep on putting it inside. So I'm trying to pull the elastic out. I'll be able to take it out from the other side. So ensure that the other side of the elastic, you hold it very well so that the second part, the other part of the elastic will meet. Can see both edges of the elastic. Then, then remove the safety pin. So I'm going to sew this. So I will sew the elastic together. Can see both edges of the elastic. So this is how to insert elastic in or back. So I've stitched it. Can see the elastic. I've stitched it. Then you take the door face, the right side facing the right side. We left 1.5 inches on both sides. Then you stitch it. You can see it. So that it should be neat. That's the reason why we are doing it like this. Then the remaining opening, then you sew it. Use machine thread. You sew it very tiny. So you sew it. So use machine thread to stitch it. So you can see the outcome of our headband. You can see how easy it is. So you can make it within 5 minutes. Thanks guys. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share my video. And to my returning subscribers, like and share my video so that I can be notified when we upload new video. Thank you. Bye.